Say hi to the camera, y'all.
Hi. What's your name?
Marissa.
Arissa.
Then there's Tamika.
His name is like Bayless. Like Bayless Electro.
What you hear about in science class? Balance.
Oh, you see how the
Professional skateboarder. Creature. Roderick, aka Taro.
Young Hog. What they be like this? I'm a hog, boy.
One of the beautiful models of
You remember I was telling you about
End of the
JoJo?
Night.
I don't fuck with cameras.
Get her ass on the camera.
I'm also serious.
Alright, man. You alright, girl.
Some people come back and the other crunk people gone. You know what I'm saying?
Alright. This one. Damn, hold up. My fault. Kind of fucked up right now. Alright. Alright, that's better.
You know you gonna get niggas stoned out.
What's that? Like, which one?
Say hi to the camera. One of the models. That's the artist and the model. She don't look right now, but you know why.
Because I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Other game. Little game.
Saints, New Orleans, all day. You hear me?
Tamika ain't doing nothing her close, so not everybody else's.
And this is my main brother, my nigga, Shadow Hawkins.
My brother.
Speaker Breaking ENT logo.
Everybody need to hop on him. You gonna see us doing the
Your ass to bed.
Tamika high.
That's what I'm saying. Bro, y'all can't video record her, bro. My bad.
This my brother.
Don't let her get drunk.
Why we here? Why we here, everybody?
It's the end of the night.
What? Say it again.
It's the end of the night. Get freaky.
It's the end of the night. Y'all need to do
Technically.
something real freaky.
It's morning time.
Technically, it's 1:30. We need to be at
Food.
Yeah, nigga hungry, bro.
Yeah, y'all, this the effects of, you know, make sure in the video.
You know we talking
Get a good light on it.
Yeah.
What's up, y'all? On the Speaker Breaking ENT. What time is it, y'all? Like
1:30 something.
damn, bro.
Nigga, it's dark 30.
Bro, we've been starting since 8 in the morning. 8 in the morning, 8 at night, you know.
Yeah.
Shout out to everybody that's been a part of this, from the
Speaker
models,
Breaking ENT, you know what I'm saying?
the models to the cameraman. Shout out to my nigga Roderick, Taro. Shout out to my nigga Mike, you heard me?
Hop in the scene.
Shout out to my little sis holding the mic. I'm saying holding the mic, holding the flashlight. Tamika, baby.
Yeah.
Adrian.
Oh, put it back on Adrian. You heard me? She's been a good participant throughout this whole thing, even though we just.
I was sleepy and hungry. I've been up ever since 8 at work.
She was working that ass on the empty stomach.
Oh, I got an announcement. Alright, this is just the beginning. I guarantee you there's a lot more coming. Me, myself, dropping that change in time zones. Look out for that hoe. That hoe gonna be hot. Got them songs, I Understand, Dick Cheney, that's on the Cat Daddy beat. That hoe gonna be live. This is just the beginning. I guarantee you. If you skate, look for the movies.
Yes, sir.
Guarantee you. You don't believe I skate the videos will be on Facebook. I'm getting some footage tomorrow. Fuck with you, boy. I get paid to do this shit. You know what I'm saying?
The way you look at him, you like.
That's just Mike Hogan, Blood Game all day.
Oh yeah, he passed
Fly
it.
ass nigga.
Alright, y'all. We just put out a mixtape. We did it in 3 weeks. Who you know that does that shit?
Other than Wayne.
Okay,
Yeah.
we ain't talking about Wayne.
How long? But Wayne take longer than 3 weeks though. So yeah, we passed Wayne up.
So Wayne, sorry, we should. That should be Ripley's Believe It or
Fuck
Not shit.
ass nigga.
Hey, don't talk about Wayne.
But,
We not about to get on
Each your song.
here. We not about to get on here and talk about Wayne. Just cause y'all doing y'all shit, don't mean y'all talk about Wayne.
We taking
But,
no.
yeah.
Don't be
Anyway,
talking about
Hey,
Wayne.
y'all let me hold the light.
Don't be
yeah.
talking about Wayne.
Anyway, what I'm
You got
gonna
something
say
to say
is,
about Wayne? Don't say nothing about him.
I'm from the same city as Wayne. I get to say what I want. But yeah. So what's happening? Speaker Breaking ENT, we just put out a mixtape, April Goons Day. Everybody download it. It's free.
You got it.
Oh, we ain't gonna last too long. We got neighbors out.
Mickey voice.
But look, yeah, what we about to do, you heard me? We dropped April Goons Day, you heard me? It's free. Download it. I don't want to hear no excuses.
Please, yes. We giving you permission to rip our shit off.
It's free.
$0.
We telling you, hey, go download it for the free.
Go steal it.
Feds ain't coming for you. You can slap it on that bootleg CD or you got them wild colors. You got 100 pack of them. Go ahead, burn them.
For $9.99.
You know what I'm saying? You get it for free 99.
Yeah.
For the free.
What I'm gonna say.
You know what I'm saying?
Pretty much to wrap this all up.
Yeah.
April Goons Day out free. My next artist coming up, Shadow Hoggins, Save for a Rainy Day.
That's me out here right now.
His new hit single, Hit That Johnny Ringo.
Yes, sir.
In the clubs near you.
Hey, get out the street.
And please pick up my old shit. You heard me? I got Impatient Before the Album. That's my first mixtape ever.
Yeah.
So you can download that for free and pick up Young and Impatient. That's an official album, and I'm sorry we put it out free for a minute, but now the label's going through some time, so we put $5 on it, y'all. That's lunch money.
Yeah, man. Y'all support Big Boy.
Yeah.
Say, my nigga, we got foes pulling up in the lot, my nigga. Anyway, back to
Don't forget that change in time zones. That's by me, Terro. Y'all gonna love the beats. Y'all gonna love the features. Nigga, Shadow Hoggins on my whole.
Yes, sir.
VL on the whole 65 Cutlass. I understand.
Yes, sir.
I Can Hear You, Unstoppable.
Yeah.
If you want it, I got it. I got them beats you don't hear every day.
Yes, sir.
Work with me. Change the time zone. Speaker breaking.
Yeah.
One last thing before we end this night, Shadow Hoggins, and then we gonna end this night off good.
Are you about to kill it?
It's your boy Shadow Hoggins, you know what I'm saying? 44 acres home, Northside rolling and holding, you feel me?
Hey, you hit me again?
I know y'all waiting on my shit to drop. I'm the only nigga out the clique who ain't got some shit just rolling, you know what I'm saying? But I do have Save for a Rainy Day coming real soon, you feel me? I got my song, my one dance song on the record. You know, I'm a real nigga. I be dealing with some real shit, so I ain't got too many just happy songs on my shit. I'm dealing with some real shit, but I do got that song Johnny Ringo on there. You know, everywhere that we go, we hit that Johnny Ringo. Y'all know how it go. I got that coming out. April Goons Day. Please support the mixtape. If you want the fucking JV or you fuck with JV niggas, please go with the mixtape. We got a couple niggas on there. We got my nigga PTR right here.
If you went to JV, this album is for you. Like
JV!
Look, one way or another, we all out the system.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We graduated. We came out the hood. We graduated out the burbs. So you know. But anyway, point is, go get the mixtape. We got Meek on this whole. Y'all know who Meek Foster is. You know what I'm saying? We got Meek on this. Y'all know who she is. Y'all know who she is. Cuz know what's up. You know what I'm saying? We got Valdre on this motherfucker. You know who that nigga is. Your boy Shadow Hoggins. Your boy Soulja VL. Who's behind the right now? You know what I'm saying? We got Shebang, Sugar Shane Mosley on there. You know what I'm saying? Chris, what's up?
I say,
Everybody on here. What else? Wrap it up. Hey. Wrap it up. You know what I'm saying? We got Speaker Breaking for a whole bunch of stuff, man. We got a whole bunch of projects coming up. So if you fuck with Soulja VL, please go get, support this shit. Shadow Hoggins, that's me, you know what I'm saying? Save for a Rainy Day coming real soon. Fuck with your boy. I be on Facebook posting all kind of statuses. My shit go hard.
His shit be real, little bit.
You know what I'm saying?
You ain't gonna see no
Shebang, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with her shit. Fuck with all our shit. This is Real Nigga TV, you know what I'm saying? Channel 44. Back to your regular schedule programming.
Mom Nation.
And I'm gonna end this note with a yeah.